Right, so how do I know if my mix is ready? So on this particular job, my mix is going to be a little bit wetter. So what I'm looking at is I'm looking in the mixer and I'm looking for my corners to fold in. So as the mixer's spinning and it comes to the top, I want that top corner to start folding into my mix. If we have a look in there, we can see that top starting to fall in. If I let this mix, because I've got plasticizer in there, that's just going to become more and more creamy. It's not far off where I want it. What I'm looking for is for these sort of individual clumps to just slightly disappear and become a bit more one mass. But I got to be careful, because if I let it go too long at that point, the mix will be too wet for me. So this is all about experience now, checking it. It's always better to stop, try it out, see what you think, let it go again. Also another top tip, use your water, little and often. You stonk a load of water in there to start with, your mix has probably had it before you've even got there. Okay, so normally I might stop around about this stage, and what we end up with is a semi-dry consistency that will hold its own shape. That's what I'm normally going to go with as a standard mix for me. This job's a little bit different, so I want it a bit wetter. We're going to add a bit more water, let it turn a little bit more. Okay, so for my job today and how I want my muck, we're about there now. So this is a bit wetter, something in between semi-dry paving mix and maybe what you might use for laying bricks. It's not quite as wet as what you'd use for bricks, but as you can see, it's a bit wetter than my normal semi-dry. Watch the next video, you'll find out why I'm doing that today.